One of the most beautiful experiences that I think I've personally had so far at Nokian Tyres was to travel over to Russia and watch our launch team, about 4 people, learn from and interact with their colleagues in Russia and Finland. It was incredibly inspiring to see them train, but even more beautifully to interact and to bond with these people. And they connected on a very human level.
Nokian Tyres has been great. I've had nothing but really good experiences. I've met a lot of great people. It's a big statement from the company whenever they want to send people and resources to an entirely different country to get new experiences, and for a company to do something like that, they honestly care about their people and getting a solid understanding of what they're actually going to be doing.
For me personally, I still have to pinch myself. This is such a dream. It's a dream to work for a company that has so much respect for their employees. They have so much respect in their product that they sell, and they show it.
The factory for Dayton is such an economic boom, and not just an economic boom, it is the Hakkapeliitta spirit, the entrepreneurship, the team spirit, the inventiveness.
Nokian's different because they put you in a different position. They make you uncomfortable. They want to push you. They want to see what they can put on your shoulders, to see where you can go, to see what you can grow into, to see what you're good at.
They encourage me to step outside of my comfort zone. I go for it, and I just give it my best effort.
It just lets you know that you're valued, that your opinion matters, and everybody brings something different to the table. You could have a really good idea, and they'll hear you out, and if it's a good idea, they'll put it in.
There's no words I can say to describe how much better this is than places I've been. This is a company you can grow with, and they're willing to help you do that.
We talk a lot about the overall impact of economic development and growth. 400 jobs sounds great, but really what that boils down to is one job for one family 400 times. So these are stories that are adding, that are compounding. That's where growth happens. It's at the individual level. And so we are absolutely privileged to be able to come in and be a facilitator of that growth. That potential in this community has been here for so long. And you've seen these people succeed in so many other different places. But to have them come here and contribute their skills to us, while we can then contribute that parcel of growth one by one by one, I think that's how communities are changed, that's how companies are changed, and ultimately that's how families are changed.
We just want to keep continuing to build the company and build it up so Dayton can continue to grow. That way our families can grow with us. We can make the town bigger and better.
We are a family. It's not just an employer or an employee. We're family.